different ways you can, you know, like avoid the line per se, because there's a regular standby line always, and then some rides have a fast pass line, and that like gets you in faster. And you can do either just a regular fast pass, which costs no money at all, or you can do a max pass, which is $10 a day, or if you get an annual pass, it's about $70, and it's any day is the best, like the max pass. So the max pass is on your phone. Yay! So they do have like chargers you can get, because I mean your phone will die if you're getting a lot of max passes, my bad. So what you do is, this is your app, you have to get the app. Ooh, fancy. And so you click that right there, get fast pass, and it'll load, and there's us. My mom is not here, so we got her out of there. You get to choose between those two parks. Those are our names up there, because there's 2 tickets on a phone. You can do that. And we're gonna go to Disney, California. And those are your options. And there's Guardians, which would be good, or Incredicoaster, which is good. And the time right now is, ooh, blurry, 11:23. So we're gonna do Incredicoaster. And then there's us, there's everything. And confirm. And load. And bam, congratulations, your selection is confirmed. And then you can make another max pass. It's basically a fast pass but on the phone. Max pass at 11:54. So that's super quick. You can make another one right away for a big ride, and I suggest doing big rides. And the max pass, why it's so cool, is because this is the Incredicoaster and we are at Splash Mountain. Not even the same park. You can do it anywhere in the park for any ride that has the max pass availability. And there's our lovely selections, and you can redeem the fast pass once you get there. They have these little kiosks. I'll show you how you do it. And no paper required. And now, because the selection's so close, we gotta head on over to the Incredicoaster, because that's what we got. So, Connery and I went last year. Ooh, they're just that late. Oh my lord. And it's BlizzCon is happening right across the street as we're filming this today. And so, you know, there's gonna be a lot of people probably Sunday, because after BlizzCon everyone decides to come here, which is great, but I'll be here.
Every day she heard his tune, her love was true and true because.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
And here we are, finally at the Incredicoaster. It's a little toasty, I'm a little sweaty, go up here listening a little bit, but okay. So for the fast pass, you can either, or the max pass, whatever, you can either do it on your phone, which Connery will gladly demonstrate. Yay! And you can also do it on your pass. So we're gonna show you. And wait time, fast pass.
Scan right here, friends.
Line with you, it helps us measure wait time. Thank you.
So that's how it does. And if you ever get this, it just, you know, checks the wait time. I'm not gonna lie, whenever I get this, I feel super special. I'm like, yay, I get to hold this. Okay, so today it was a little pointless because the Incredicoaster is literally so good, such a good ride. They're missing one thing though. Connery, what are they missing on the Incredicoaster? Just think, just think.
Chuck?
No! What are they missing? Frozone!
Yeah!
Yeah! They're missing Frozone! I want them on the ride so bad. Alright, another way to get a fast pass is You actually have to be at the ride where they have like the fast pass distribution things, and you actually have to have your ticket. You have to have your ticket, and you know, let's go. And it doesn't cost any money. We're gonna get Midway Mania, and the time is 2:15 to 3:15. He's got his card there. And then there's here. Yay! My turn. And there it is. And we just gotta come back there. And then you don't need this actual ticket. All you need is your regular ticket. Either, you know, annual pass, just your regular ticket. This, do not leave it on the floor. Do not litter. You can throw it in the trash. But this is just to remember your times. The actual best option on what to do with this is please recycle. If there's a paper one, like right here, it's coming up. And we have our paper ticket, paper in there. Real quick, look at my snow cap limit. Now that I previously said that they did not put enough chocolate on top. Well, they heard me because, oh yes, I cannot wait. Okay, another thing you can do on the app is mobile order. So here we are at the entrance of Pixar Pier, and we are gonna order at Smoke Jumpers Grill, which is over there, just, you know, yonder. All right, so what are you gonna order? Cheeseburger, yum, $12. It's okay. You want one? Yay! Oh, instead of waffle cut fries, you got onion rings. Awesome. Cheese sauce is included. Cheese is included, and you just gotta add. And then you go to your order. That's what you want. Ooh, they have the enchanted spell green apple lemonade right now. But we're not gonna get that, so review it. And here we go. Yep, awesome. And $12.12. Tax, 88 cents, and purchase.
Discount for annual pass.
Oh, look at that. Discount for annual pass. Yum. Submitting order. I can see you eating in the background. Wow. And ready for your food. And then you press that when you're there, and let's head on over. Yay! So now, once you arrive, you press I'm here, prepare my order. And order number that. There we go, annual passport discount. And let's head on in.
Connery, you're all set. Enjoy economy as we look at each other.
Gonna get some mayonnaise, pickles, onions, tomatoes, lettuce.
I don't think I needed the sauce.
Lot of sauce. Okay, he just put his bun on the tray. Oh no, oh no. Alright, it's really sad when a ride goes down because something happened, I don't know. But if you have a fast pass for it and the ride does go down, you get a multiple experience ticket, and that literally just says you can go on whatever ride anytime you want, but it has to be today. Right now it's on attractions, so it does the wait times, but if you just click that little arrow, you can check where characters are, where dining is, entertainment, restrooms, event tours, photo pass, guest services, shops, hotels, spas, and recreation. All of that, ooh, on the app. Back on the main screen, we have this lovely selection here called Today's Showtimes. And when you click it, it says everything that's gonna happen. All the stuff that already happened gets taken off as the day goes on. But all these things, just so you know when they are. And what's closed, so sad, all the things closed. Whatever fast passes you have and any reserved dining experiences you have, you just click My Plans. Click it. And it has whatever you have lined up in that area. So Connery just found out that park hours are on the app. Oh my goodness. And so you can find out Disneyland park hours and Disney California park hours, and if you scroll down just a little bit, downtown Disney park hours. I mean, it's not a park, but still. And then if you scroll back up, you can do the dates. And if it's like further in advance, you just click that little thing right there. Yes. And further dates on when it opens, so you can plan accordingly. Oh, so good. If you do purchase the Max Pass, then you can go to your photos, see photos, link photos, and if you click the show photo pass, you can have your picture taken anywhere where there's a cast member with the camera, show them this, and it'll go directly to your phone. And then you get them all free, and if you go back and click on the photo, and then click on the photo one more time, you can save it or share it. It's great. And then there's us. Me chilling in the back. And then when you get off a ride, like we did for cars, there's a little serial number where you link your photos right there, and you just type it in and it'll show up like later. Sometimes it's even days later. But it's great because it shows up. And I'm not trying to just sell you the app. It's completely free on whatever, you know, phone you have, Apple Store or something like that. Completely free. It's literally the best thing ever. Am I right?
Sponsored by Disneyland.
Sponsored by Disneyland. I wish. But yeah, best thing ever. Great. So that was just a quick, brief rundown of the Disneyland app. It's great. Awesome. Free, like I said. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's debatable. How much space does it take up?
Oh, I have probably like 30 megabytes.
Yeah, not terrible. But oh, also if let's say you forgot your pass at home and you linked it to your app, you literally like, oops, you don't have a pass, I guess. But you can get it on the app and you can scan it literally at the gate and it'll be solid. But you just can't do like fast passes because you have to stick the little fast pass in the thing. But yeah.